Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Learning. Let us see all the answers of SSLC mathematics paper. I'll try to finish within 20 minutes. First one B, second one D, third one C, fourth one A, fifth one C, sixth one B, seventh one A, eighth one D. Ninth one, fundamental theorem of arithmetic definition. 10th one, Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an. 11th one, the degree of the cubic polynomial is 3. 12th one, DE will be always half of BC because D and E are the midpoints of other two sides. 13th one is direct question. 14th one is if it is parallel, first two ratios will be equal. So using that you can find. 15th one, if you find n by 2, answer is 10. About 10, it is for cumulative frequency is 14. So 14 class interval is 20 to 30. So 20 to 30 is the median class. 16th one, if x is minus 5, y will be 0, then it intersects to x-axis. 17th one, everyone knows. Okay, next 18th one, linear equation sum. 19th one, you are finding Sn. A is given and 19th one, you are finding S20 using Sn formula. Or question, you are finding number of terms, n you are finding. So last term is given, last term is nothing but an. Using an formula you are finding n. Question number 20, sin alpha you are finding and tan theta you are finding. For alpha, opposite side is different and theta, opposite side is different. See that answer. Question number 21, quadratic equation question, simple question, it's easy question. You have done it maybe. Or question, again discriminant, finding the delta value, roots are real and distinct. Next question number 22, find the HCF of 135 and 75. So finding HCF of 135 and 75 using factorization method first. After that, using that answer and 20, you are finding the LCM. LCM of 15 and 20 you are finding. Next one, question number 23. Circle midpoint center is given. Center of the circle is given. Other 2 points are given. In that x and y you have to find out using midpoint formula. Also diameter AB using distance formula. Okay, question number 24. Here you are finding one more angle to say that it is isosceles triangle. If you find angle O is 45, it becomes isosceles triangle using angle sum property. Next, using sine 45 degree, you are finding the length of OA. OA is nothing but radius of the circle. 25th question. It is a direct question, finding the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. After that, verifying. Next, question number 26 is theorem on circle. Next, question number 27. Here, both the triangle ABC and triangle PQ are similar. So, if it is similar, their angles are equal and sides are in proportion. So ratios will be equal, PQ, QR, PR ratios will be equals to AB, BC and CA ratio. So these ratios will be 3, 4 and 5. So using perimeter, you are finding x value. After finding x value, you are finding each side. So one is 15, another one is 20, next one is 25. Then angles will be equal. So one is 55, 90 and 35. Then question number 28, finding mean and mode. You see the answer. Next, question number 29, proving sums. One is proving sum. LHS you are proving. Again you have to take RHS and you have to write LHS equals to RHS. Next, or question, trigonometric ratios. Question number 30, you are finding the area of the sector first. After that, length of arc. After finding length of arc, for the total length of the wire, you are adding that length of arc and 2 radius. Or question, you are finding the area of the segment. Area of the segment will be area of the sector minus area of the equilateral triangle, because one is 60 degree, then other two angles will be equal. If it is equal, again it becomes 60, 60. So 3 angles are 60 degrees, so it is a equilateral triangle. Using equilateral triangle, you are finding the area of the segment. Question number 31, side of ABCD take it as X and side of PQRS take it as Y, and perimeter of both, one is 4x, one is 4y. After finding that, writing the equations, then you will get the quadratic equation. First you are writing the points A and B. After that you are using the section formula. For our question, you are using the distance formula. AB plus BC, if you add, you should get AC. If you are getting AC, these are collinear. Next, question number 33, probability question, sample space, then top face numbers. If you add, you should get 6. B is getting square number in one face. Question number 34, solution of the linear equation by graphical method. First you find the answer. What will be the answer for these equations? Y, if you subtract, while y is equals to 1, then if you substitute, x will be is equals to 4. Next, question number 35, AP sum, simple sum. Question number 36, again theorem, 2 theorems. 2 theorems are from similarity criteria. Question number 37, here you are finding sine for triangle AOB. From triangle AOB you are finding sine 30, so that you can find OB. After finding this, if you subtract OB from OD, you will get PD. Next, using triangle ACE, you are finding CE. After that, you are finding CD length. Go through the answer. Again using tan 30 from triangle APC, you are finding AP length. In triangle APD using tan 60, you are finding PD. After finding PD length, after getting PD, you are finding AD using triangle APD. Next, question number 38. You are finding the total surface area and the volume of the remaining metallic block. For that, you are using the formula TSA of the cuboid plus 3 times CSA of the cylinder for total surface area, and for the volume remaining block volume is equals to volume of the cuboid minus 3 times volume of the cylinder. In this OR question, first you are finding the volume of the solid, that is volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. After finding volume of the solid, volume of water raised in cylinder, that will be equals to volume of the solid. After that, you are finding total height of the water level. After that, volume of the water to be filled, to fill completely, using height of the remaining part. Here I have completed all the questions what is there in the question paper.